Today we're going to talk about the top 5 monsters from the Monster Manual 5th edition. These are the creatures that will keep your players on their toes and make your campaigns unforgettable. At number 5, it's Mimics. These creatures are shapeshifters that can disguise themselves as ordinary objects, such as treasure chests, doors, or even weapons. They're notorious for catching players off guard, as they tend to blend in seamlessly with their surroundings. Once the players least expect it, the Mimic will strike, revealing its true form and attacking with deadly force. At number 4, Mind Flayers. These creatures are extraterrestrial beings that have psionic powers and an insatiable hunger for brains. They're known for their ability to control the minds of their enemies, turning them into puppets or even devouring their brains outright. Fighting a Mind Flayer can be a battle of wits, as players will need to resist their mind control and exploit their weaknesses. Coming in at number 3, we have Beholders. These creatures are floating, orb-shaped monsters with numerous eye stalks that shoot a variety of magical rays. They're one of the most iconic creatures in D&D, and for good reason. Fighting a Beholder is a battle of survival, as players will need to dodge its rays while trying to deal damage. In addition, Beholders are intelligent creatures that can plan and scheme, making them formidable foes. Moving on to number 2, we have Goblins. While they may seem like weak and feeble creatures, goblins are cunning and ruthless. They use their numbers and traps to overwhelm their enemies, and they're not above resorting to dirty tactics such as poisoning, ambushes, or even kidnapping. Dealing with goblins can be a challenge, especially for low-level parties. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the dragons. These legendary creatures need no introduction. They're powerful, majestic, and awe-inspiring. Fighting a dragon is the ultimate challenge in D&D, as players will need to use all their skills and resources to take one down. In addition, dragons are intelligent creatures that can speak, hoard treasure, and even form alliances with other creatures. They're the quintessential fantasy monster, and a staple of any D&D campaign. And that's it for our top 5 monsters from the Monster Manual 5th edition. Do you agree with these choices? These were taken from various polls across social media. Let us know your thoughts or your top 5, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more D&D content.